Throwback to Unpacking the Phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase you've likely seen on social media, throwback to. This phrase holds a nostalgic note, and it's packed with meaning. So, if you've been curious about what it implies and when to use it, you're in the right place. Throwback to is a phrase used when someone is reminiscing about the past. It's often used to introduce a memory, a past event, or something that happened some time ago. The phrase suggests a sentimental look back at a moment that holds significance or fond memories for the person speaking or writing. The term throwback has its roots in sports, where it referred to a backward pass. Over time, its use expanded beyond sports. Now, it's commonly paired with to indicate going back in time to a particular moment or event. To use throwback to, simply follow it with the time frame or event you're referring to. For example, throwback to our high school graduation, or throwback to the summer of '89. It's often accompanied by photographs or stories from the past. On social media, throwback to is frequently seen with the hashtag #TBT, which stands for Throwback Thursday. It's a trend where people post old photos or memories on Thursdays, although the phrase can be used any day of the week. And that's a wrap on Throwback to. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this nostalgic phrase that connects us to our past in a special way. Remember, language is not just about communication, it's also about connection. So, go ahead and share your own throwbacks. Until next time, keep learning and have fun with the language.